When you're into trading, you always hear about Forex, right? Yeah, it's the most well-known market, but I found a niche that got me an annual income of $1.2 million. What really bugged me about Forex were the huge commissions. The constantly fluctuating win rate and smart trading always ended up putting me in the red. So I discovered an alternative, powerful strategy that works for everyone. I've already made over $63,000 with it. Watch the video till the end and I'll show you in detail how to make over $4,000 in just 15 minutes. Hi, it's Simon here. I've been in trading for over 7 years and my average annual income is around $1.2 million. Join my educational Telegram channel for traders. Every day I trade with my subscribers, now almost 14,000 followers. They just replicate my trades and together we're making from $250,000 to $350,000 daily. Hop on the first link in the description and the pinned comment to join. It's the perfect time to gear up for the trading session. I want to show you the full glory of this strategy. I've traded with it over 20 times and it's shown a win rate of over 94%. Can you believe that? And today I'm starting with just $14 and will make over $4,000 in just 12 minutes. Could you do that on Forex? I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's just set up the platform. Watch closely. First, set your trade time to 1 minute and set the candle time frame to 30 seconds. Second, we select 4 currency pairs: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, and Australian dollar and US dollar. These pairs currently have the highest percentage and we can earn the most from them. Third and most important in trading, indicators. I recommend using the most effective pair, stochastic oscillator and zigzag. Watch the video to the end and I'll explain to you how these indicators work and why they're so effective when used together. Okay, let's dive into my absolute favorite part, playing out future market moves. I'm feeling awesome today, so let's easily rack up a few $1,000 in our account with some savvy analysis and signal following. Australian dollar and US dollar. The upward trend is over. Stochastic is coming out of the top indicators, out of the overbought zone, plus the number of bearish candles has increased, so we hit lower. In just 1 minute, our account nearly doubled to $26. Not a bad way to kick things off. Now let's look at the Australian and New Zealand dollar pair. Strong bearish impulses are dragging the price down and the stochastic also indicates a decrease in buy strength. So we're going short. Everything's going down just as we expected. Our indicators are performing excellently. Let's keep it rolling. By the way, do you trade on Forex regularly? What's the maximum amount you've earned in a week? Write it in the comments. Let's check out everyone's achievements. Now, move on to the third trade, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc pair. Wow, we can see how the trend has been steadily sliding downwards and both indicators are signaling the continuation of this downtrend. We bet. Our capital has grown even more. Now we have $96 and we're just getting started. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now we're expecting a bounce. The price has been in a sideways movement for too long and now the bulls are taking the initiative. The stochastic supports our forecast, so higher. There is my first 100. We've already added $171 to our account, making it a total of $185. Today, the stochastic and our strategy are really showing off their skills. So I think it's time to smash that like button on this video. Now you see how powerful the strategy is, right? Let's keep on earning. Let's go. So with the Australian dollar and US dollar pair, the chart looks too ambiguous. It's really important to keep a cool head to spot such situations and avoid unnecessary risks. Now Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Here we've got a trend reversal. The stochastic points to the strength of the bulls. We're going long. excellent, I made 355 bucks. Decent money, but I want more. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. This is the beginning of a sideways movement, which is likely to last a while. We're going to enter right now. Press lower. We just managed to get in with the new red candle at the peak before the drop. That was a really smart entry into the trade. Incredible, almost $700! 7 minutes with just 14 bucks? That's a result. Some folks earn that much in a week working in an office. Australian and Canadian. Now the price had hit its limits and is heading down. Welcome downward trend. We're going to ride this slide down with our stochastic indicator. Bet down. We've already passed the $1,000 mark, sitting at $1,308. To achieve results like mine and trade successfully, I recommend watching my video. It's got secrets to successful trading plus another effective strategy. With it, I've made $4,622 from just 20 bucks. That's a 23,000% increase in just 12 minutes. You're probably itching to try it out, and that's the right decision. Click here or follow the link in the description. Meanwhile, let's skip over the Aussie and the buck again. Alright, next up, Australian and New Zealander. Where the zigzag line ends, the chart forms a new development point. Next up, we're expecting consolidation and the stochastic is showing us the same thing. Press lower. Awesome, we've made $2,228. Is there an alternative strategy on Forex that can bring in over $2,000 from just 8 trades starting with a mere $14? Have you ever made that much money in such a short time? I never did, except in options trading. Check out what the Aussie and the franc. The stochastic is dropping below the level of 20, which means the trend will likely go up soon. But in our short time frame, it won't have the chance to do so since the market is quite sluggish. Bet lower. And now here's some crucial information about our indicators. The stochastic is an indicator that helps us understand who's currently stronger in the market, the bulls or the bears. In other words, it shows how strong the current trend is. It works within a range from 0 to 100. If the stochastic is above 80, it might mean the asset is overbought and the price could start to drop. But if the stochastic is below 20, it could indicate the asset is oversold and the price might begin to rise. Zigzag. This indicator helps us find the most significant points on the chart. It connects the price's maximum and minimum points. If the chart crosses over itself, it could be a signal that the trend might change. Zigzag helps us remove minor price movements so we can see only the significant changes. Combining these two indicators allows us to analyze price movements more reliably and look for entry and exit points in the market. Stochastic helps determine how strongly the price might move, and Zigzag helps remove unnecessary noise from the chart, allowing traders to see more reliable signals. And look at that, more profit! There we go! That's income, $3,148. That was a piece of cake. Let's make one more bet. Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. The downward trend is quite stable, and even if we have a few green candles, it's insignificant because both indicators are pointing to price decrease. Press lower. Beautiful, it's just pure beauty. I absolutely love trading in binary options and making $4,068 in just 12 minutes. That's a 29,000% increase in the deposit. And my mood's gone up by at least 100,000%. And I want to share with you the opportunity to improve and brighten your life. Yes, you can learn to trade from me and I'll personally help you. I've already helped a huge number of people. Almost 14,000 subscribers of my Telegram channel who inspire me every day with their words of gratitude. We make from $250,000 to $350,000 every single session. It's simple. I share with them signals, when and how to enter trades. They trade with me and earn an average of $500 to $1,000 every day. Do you want to join us? Want to make $1,000 a day too? Then just 2 simple steps. First, subscribe to my Telegram channel, link is in the description, and second, send me a personal message. Use the first link in the description or the pinned comment. That's all for today. Bye for now.